5. Warning signs of an unhealthy gut you shouldn't ignore. Your gut is more than just where food is digested. It's home to trillions of bacteria that affect your digestion, mood, energy, immunity, and even your skin. When your gut is out of balance, the signs aren't always obvious, but your body is constantly trying to send you signals. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 biggest warning signs of poor gut health that most people ignore, and what you can do to fix them naturally. Gut health basics. The gut is home to the microbiome, a massive community of bacteria, fungi, and microbes. A healthy gut equals balance of good and bad bacteria. An unhealthy gut equals dysbiosis, imbalance, leading to inflammation and chronic health issues. If your gut isn't healthy, your entire body feels it, sometimes in ways you'd never expect. Warning sign number 1. Constant digestive problems. Symptoms: bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, acid reflux. Cause: imbalance in bacteria leads to poor digestion. IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, is often linked to poor gut health. Healthy bacteria break down food. When missing, you get discomfort after meals. Example: someone who feels bloated all the time may actually be dealing with microbiome imbalance. Warning sign number 2. Low energy and amp. Constant fatigue. Poor gut health equals poor nutrient absorption. Even if you eat healthy, your body may not be absorbing vitamins or minerals. Gut inflammation can trigger chronic fatigue. Some gut bacteria produce B vitamins and short-chain fatty acids for energy. Without them, energy crashes happen. If you're tired all the time, your gut might be draining your energy before your day even starts. Warning sign number 3. Skin issues. Gut-skin connection equals inflammation shows up on skin. Acne, eczema, psoriasis, rosacea often trace back to gut health. Poor digestion. Toxins leak into bloodstream. Body pushes toxins out through skin. Probiotics and fiber-rich foods often clear skin by healing the gut. Warning sign number 4. Anxiety, depression, and brain fog. The gut-brain axis. 90% of serotonin, happy chemical, is made in the gut. Imbalanced gut equals mood swings, anxiety, and depression. Studies show probiotics can improve mental clarity and reduce stress. Brain fog often comes from inflammation and toxins leaking through the gut lining. Leaky gut. Your gut is like your second brain, and when it's unhealthy, your mood suffers. Warning sign number 5. Weakened immunity. A percent of immune system lives in the gut. Frequent colds, slow recovery, or constant illness, red flag. Bad gut bacteria weaken defenses against viruses and infections. Balanced microbiome equals stronger immune response. Bonus warning signs. Other red flags of an unhealthy gut. Frequent sugar cravings. Bad bacteria feed on sugar. Sudden food intolerances, lactose, gluten, etc. Unexplained weight gain or weight loss. Poor sleep. Gut bacteria regulate melatonin. How to heal your gut. Naturally eat prebiotic foods: garlic, onions, bananas, oats. Add probiotics: yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kombucha. Reduce processed foods, sugar, and seed oils. Manage stress with meditation, sleep, and exercise. Consider supplements: probiotics, digestive enzymes, fiber. Your gut is the control center of your health. If you're experiencing any of these warning signs, digestive issues, fatigue, skin problems, mood swings, or constant sickness, it may be time to restore your gut health. Don't ignore your gut. Start small, add more probiotic foods, eat fiber, and cut out the junk. Your gut will thank you, and so will your energy, mood, and skin. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Health and Wellness for more tips on gut health, natural remedies, and living longer, healthier, and stronger. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video.